In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-level approvals in Zoho Expense. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to build a clear, multi-step approval process for your expense submissions. Start by opening your browser and searching for Zoho. Head to the official Zoho site and sign into your organization account. If your company uses single sign-on, just follow the prompts until you land on your Zoho home or app launcher. Once you're in, look for the list of apps and choose Expense. If you don't see it right away, open the app launcher and search for Expense. When Zoho Expense loads, switch to the admin view. You'll typically find an admin toggle or a view switcher near the top or left side of the interface. If you don't see it, you may need admin permissions, so check with your organization's Zoho administrator. Next, go to Settings from the left sidebar. It often appears as a gear icon. This is where you'll manage organization-wide preferences and customizations. In Settings, locate the Customization section and click Modules. Modules are simply the main building blocks in Zoho Expense, things like expenses, reports, trips, and more. Choose the specific module you want to configure. For most teams, this will be the Expenses module, since that's where individual expense entries originate. Selecting the right module ensures your approval flow applies to the right type of record. Inside the module settings, open the Approvals tab and choose Custom Approval. This tells Zoho Expense that you're defining your own approval path instead of relying on a default, one-size-fits-all option. Click the button labeled Plus New Custom Approval. You're now creating a new approval blueprint. Give your approval flow a clear name and a helpful description. Use language that makes sense to your team. For example, reference the department or amount thresholds, so anyone reviewing it later understands the purpose at a glance. Now set up the approval flow by selecting the approvers. Add them in the order you want requests to move through, such as a direct manager first, followed by a finance reviewer, and then a final admin. You can include multiple levels to mirror your company's policy. Be sure the designated approvers have the necessary roles and access in Zoho Expense to avoid delays. When everything looks correct, click Save to finalize your multi-level approval setup. That's it. Your custom approval flow is now live and ready to support consistent, compliant expense processing.